True McFly style, the guy celebrates by playing a prank on him.
So what we're going to do is we're going to get one of these two guys to go and hide when Tom gets here.
There's actually people holding cameras. We're not alone on this barge.
So I'll ring Tom.
With the camera crew in on the gag to scare Tom, you ring back to find out how far away he is.
Tom! Me, Harry. Where are you? Okay.
In order for the prank to work, Harry mustn't give anything away on the phone to Tom.
Cool. Well, mate, give us a call. Hey, mate, sorry about that. Mate, just call us when you're here. But
Nice work, Harry. As Tom arrives, he should be suspicious, but he's got other things on his mind.
Did have permission from Joanna's dad and her brother. They didn't kill me, didn't beat me up, they're both very nice. Had a lovely meal, I'm really full.
As the boys welcome Tom on board, he has no idea what they've got in store for him.
Because we haven't got card games, I think we should tell each other ghost stories. Google ghost stories and read them out. I googled murder on a barge.
I knew there was something recently that's gone on.
Man charged with murder of couple stabbed to death on a canal boat. Just don't get a bit scared. Oh man.
It would be scary. Killed on a barge. See?
I'm scaring ourselves more than Tom.
After scaring themselves witless, it's time to turn in for the night.
Make it faster, stronger. Make it faster, stronger. Yay!